Coming up on this week's adventures. Goodbye, my friend. I'll see you later, okay?
Thank you, come again.
What's up? My name is Trevor. Welcome to TRERACKSCITY. We are living on the road full time in my old school Chevy with the Lance cab over. His name is Merlot Rover. I've been living on the road for the last 8 months, exploring, trying to enjoy the little things. There's lots of ups and downs, but I've been having one heck of a time. So if you're curious about this lifestyle, consider subscribing. But yeah, I'm in Wilcox, Arizona now. I just checked out the Chickawawa Mountains and did a hike over there. Now I'm heading over to Safford, which should be warmer, so I'm excited for that. But I have no idea what to expect from this week, so we'll see what happens. But before all that, roll intro. Dang it, I never go fast enough for people. I'm too slow, dang it. Hola, little kitty. Hola.
What is this?
It's my turn! It is my turn! Well, I decided to start a little project. I needed to get a new carpet I got from Walmart. Now I'm just going to cut it out, make it fit, and then put it in the camper. It's just nicer, gives it a better feel, you know. But Trevor, it's ugly. Maybe it's ugly, but it's super comfy and soft. But I'll get used to it. It's kind of strange, but whatever. Down the road a bit. It's getting a little too windy. So the wind is pretty insane here. I am heading down the road. I should have took that lady's advice yesterday, but my camper's rocking back and forth really bad. Lost the hat a couple times, but yeah, we're gonna relocate hopefully somewhere better off with less wind gusts. There's people following me along right here. The TRERACKSCITYans. Oh. We moved just down the hill. Some coverage. It's still really bad. Not nearly as bad down here, so I'm glad I moved. We'll see how it turns out through the night. What? Well, it is straight snowing here. Let's go out and have some fun. That just looks like a smiley face. Gosh dang it. What the frick? It's like winter here. It's freezing cold. The whole valley has snow. Mountains are full. Mount Graham is full of snow. Won't be doing much until it starts to warm up. Can't really ride the bike around too much. So we'll wait until later in the week. After looking at the weather, it looks like today is just going to be pretty windy and crazy. But it looks like tomorrow has a high of 50 with no wind. So maybe we'll give that a try. Hey guys, we got a nice wind-free warm day. It is actually only 37 degrees right now, but there's no wind, so it's nice and calm. The sun feels good. So I took old Taz off. It's time to hit the road. I know I found this road that goes up towards Mount Graham. It might have some snow on it, but there's some really cool curves and stuff. I want to drive up and just see what I can see. It seems like the little blizzard has passed. The snow is super annoying, but what you gonna do about it? I do have sweats underneath my jeans and 2 pairs of socks just to keep warm. I know, that's why I look chubby today. Look at it. But yeah, let's hit the road, Jack. I do gotta say, Mount Graham is very, very pretty. And I can't believe these mountains with the snow is from Arizona. You know, I would have never expected Arizona to look like that. This almost looks like Montana with the farmland and then the big old mountains with the snow. Yeah, something's on fire over there. It really brings back memories when I was a kid, because we had a house fire growing up. Really brings back the flashbacks. Ooh, that looks freaking cold! Woo! Ah! We just hit 4,000 feet elevation, and there's snow on the mountains. I'm really just trying to figure out why I'm coming up this way. I'm really hoping there's something neat. I'm just freaking freezing cold. My lips are numb, hands are numb. But the curves here should be pretty fun. So let's just go. Who knows? So this is the Coronado National Forest here. Okay, good to know. Good to know. But for real though, this is a really cool road. Ooh, look at that. That is straight sand right there. That's how people fall. But wow, look at the cactus. Oh, look at, hey, little road runner. That was cool. Ooh, this is really cool. Look at that. That's a cool shot with the rocks. Wow, very, very pretty. 5,000 feet elevation gain, so we gained about 1,000 feet right there. That's why it's getting colder. Ooh. Ooh. There's some snow on the road. Oh, very cool shots. Look at these trees. Got some snow on there. Look at the snow. Ooh, that'd be a cool shot. That would be a cool shot. No, not quite. I'm trying to find a cool shot where I could run and jump, like one of my videos, you know? But I need a hill going up towards the mountain. Oh, this is neat. Look at that. Very pretty. Who in the world comes out here during this time, though? Yep, there's some... Oh. Oh! Whoa! Ice! Okay, well, we see some ice on the road, which is no good. So we'll have to go super slow. Ooh! Man, it feels like we just hit 6,000 feet, I think. Ooh! Hands are numb. Oh, look at this! How pretty! Definitely a lot of ice on the road right here, though, so that's not good. Oh, got some cliffs. Gotta love cliffs. That's fun. Alright. Got some more ice. Let's try not to fall right here. Oh! Oh! Let me freaking warm up my hands for a second. Come on, baby. Warm me up. Oh! I can't see nothing, it's all fogged up in this fricker. Woo! Well, we got some snow. The bike sure looks sharp out here, though. Man, this is quite the view, though. This road is so beautiful, but I take calculated risks, so I'm not going to be flying up this road, that's for sure. But at least I made it this far. Ooh. Yeah, see, I'm definitely not riding up this road. That is just too much. But it was quite the fun ride out here, though. Saw a couple cool things I really enjoyed. It is freezing cold, but you just deal with it. You make it work. Go out, try to have fun, you know. This is a really cool area. Lots of snow though, super cold. There's a little snowman there that Warrell's got to hang out with, so that was kind of fun. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna go back the way I came. Oh, that's Safford down there. Wow, that's crazy high. Woo! You know, I'm freaking hungry and cold. So I saw this little Joe's Ride and Dive diner here, but we'll give it a try. I like trying local restaurants, you know. Well, hello, Merlot Rover. How are you doing? It's nice to be back home. Holy crap. Well, guys, it looks like I got some more storms coming in. It's getting pretty wild around here, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my week as a nomad. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button because it really helps my channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay out of trouble.